Hi, this is Ed Hill, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, 901-359-4165. I have another 1-minute roof clinic for you. Often when I present roofing bids to people to replace their roof, they have already some other competing bids, or they may get some after that. And often I hear the comment like the other roof company or roofer will say, oh yeah, we're going to do that. Maybe they even have a little form like this or something like that. Say, yeah, we do the same thing. We use the same stuff. Here's what you do from now on. You say to them, prove it. Show me. Take me to your showroom and show me models of your roof systems, these packages and materials you're talking about, and show me what you're going to use. I bet they won't be able to do that. Well, there you go. Have a good day.